Hello, everyone. It is Pat, and today is Friday, the 29th of June. Happy Friday to all of you. I am popping in here for a quick little weekend reading because I was away on vacation this past weekend, and so I didn't do our usual, oracle card reading and message for the week. So, and of course, when you come back from vacation, the to-do list is always kind of twice as long as what it, or it seems to be that way. And when you get back, you have so much to catch up on. But anyway, so I wanted to jump in today and just do a quick weekend reading. And then at the end of the weekend, of course, I'll get back to my regular week reading. So I've picked a quick Archangel card for today. And I'm also going to be calling upon, I thought it'd be fun to call in the fairies for a little, fun and frolic for the weekend. See what's up for us in our weekend time. So the Archangel card that came out for us for this weekend is Archangel Michael with this message of remember who you are. So the sense I get about this is that it's about the weekend and having time off, getting out of the busy schedule and having time to yourself to remember who you are, without all those things pulling on your time and your energy and having to be on for other people, depending on what kind of job that you have. If you're in a public service job, if you're caring for people, you kind of always have to be on and be strong and have a, professional mannerism and stuff like that. You have to kind of put your personal desires aside or your own way of being. But this card is about, getting out of that and over the weekend about taking some time to get back to who you are, the things that you love, and remembering who you are on the inside, okay? Not the person you have to be for your job, not the person you have to be for somebody else, okay? So that's the hit I get about this card. And it says, you're a powerful, loving, and creative child of God, and you are very loved. So it's a reminder that also that you as yourself are very loved by God and the angels, okay? And by other people around you. You're loved for being who you are, not for the persona that you have to present to the world, or for who you have to be in your job or to somebody else. You are loved for who you are. That alone is enough, okay? So that card has both of those meanings. And so let's see what the fairies show us for the weekend. I'll probably pull about 3 cards, Friday, Saturday, Sunday kind of thing. Let's see. Fairies, what do we need to know for our weekend? Okay. Oh, that's a good card to start out with. Excuse me. Okay, well they threw 4 cards out at me here, so let's see what's going on. Okay. So we have family harmony. Always a good sign. So this says to me that there may be some family gatherings going on. I get a sense of family gatherings going on this weekend around a birthday or a celebration of some kind for people out there. That's what this card feels like. There's definitely like a family get together. Or it just may mean that you're, for some of you out there too, that, and whatever you call your family, because not everybody out there has a lot of family around them. So it's just there's order and harmony coming into it. Things are flowing more smoothly. Everybody's getting along. And whether it's your true blood family or what you call family, all right? But it does also feel like there's, in your family of origin, there's a big get together of some kind for some of you out there. Higher consciousness. So this is about being connected to spirit and having those instances or experiences where you sense or know something. You either see the truth behind what somebody's saying or what their actions are, or you just have a sense or a knowing about what's going to take place or how things are going to play out. It's being in tune with your own higher consciousness, your own sixth sense. Okay, you may feel very, what I call on this weekend in the sense of your hunches are right on and being very connected to that. Okay, Um, Dietary change also comes in here. So there's attention to being brought to cleaning up your diet. All right. Because as the summertime has ensued, so has the flow of ice cream and other yummy and delicious treats that for a lot of us, we're finding we're much more sensitive to these things. So they just don't serve us well anymore. But so for some of you out there, this card says improve your diet and your life will improve also. So it's about coming into the awareness, or you might be reading about it, very drawn to reading about dietary information or information about certain kinds of foods. But it's about improving your life, lifting your energy, and looking at it from a dietary perspective. You know, if changing your diet, maybe eliminating or adding certain types of foods is going to improve your energy levels or positively affect certain conditions that you've been dealing with, physical conditions, okay? So that's what that card's about. And lastly, we have love life. So love life comes strongly to the forefront towards the end of this weekend or throughout this weekend. So there's new sparks of new romance in your life. You're exploring new areas of your love life. Maybe you're seeing new people if you're a single person. But it's also, I feel like what they're saying is that it's a very romantic time. In many areas, at least in the Northern Hemisphere now, there's just beautiful, maybe some beautiful weather around. Or it's a time where you can go out and really enjoy the beauty of the outdoors, all the sensations that it inspires. It's about loving life. Love life is more, or romantic life is more than just about, you know, a relationship with another person. It's about how you feel and your enjoyment and enchantment with life, and all the sights and sensations around you, which is an enhancement to your life. And it also enhances any kind of romantic life with another person that you are desiring to have. So, but it does feel like romantic sparks going on for some people. So this is obviously a good sign that things are going in the right direction. This card says, the basis of your question involves your romantic life, which is now changing for the better. Okay, so it's about being open to opportunities that are there for you. And you know, you might be meeting some new people, talking to, you know, maybe having conversations with someone that you've known before that you haven't really had. As I look at this card, you know, it is about new connections with people. So anyways, that's a little bit of a little weekend reading for us going into this weekend. So anyways, take care, everyone, and I'll see you again at the beginning of next week. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend.